Number 9, par 3. Long par 3. So he has 202. Okay, number 9. I have 188. I'm hitting a hybrid. Obviously, I am not going to go at this flag unless it's a complete miss hit. So we're going to try to go to the fattest part of the green. Oh, I went right at it. But I hit it so good. Please be good. Oh, I saw it bounce. That might be good. You can see how undulated the green is. So we are all square. He's pin high. I brought my wedge just in case because this is pretty high up. That's where we hit from. We are going to go look at this because this is so pretty. Yeah, I don't see my ball on the green. Apologize for the wind. I've got the thingy down in my cleavage, but okay, so long is not good. This is where I hit. So we're gonna have a little chip off. My caddy got excited, that's not good. All right, good shot in there. He's got a putt for par at least. Sit, sit. I pulled it. But if you hit it, that good? All right, he gave me a bogey. I dodged a bullet. That's good. All square through 8 and 9. And I'm not too upset about 190-yard par 3. Could have hit a better chip. I was more concerned about hitting it up the hill, and I didn't trust myself. But